So the first application I'd like to talk about is called TeamShake, and this is for my coworkers, fellow PE teachers. I use this application all the time, and the objective of it is to quickly and easily divide students into teams, groups, or pairs. And one of the issues we have in specials is that we are limited on our time. And if you do the old school method of breaking kids into groups, it can take a long time. So this is a nice way to fairly break kids into a group. Let me show you a little demonstration of the app. So here's, I was using the app on my iPad. Here are just names of my dogs, my kids, and my wife and I. And we labeled them blue for boys, green for girls. At the bottom you can see I selected 4 teams, and it automatically breaks my groups into 4 teams. You can go back, you can do things such as marking someone that is absent, and they'll turn gray. And then you can quickly break them into teams or pairs. Like I did in the bottom, I did pairs there. And right away it breaks them into groups. So if you want to maybe select just one person at a time, you can press random player. And if you're just trying to pick a tagger for the day, you can quickly select that. So I really like the TeamShake app. It's fair. Kids typically don't argue with this app and what team they're on. It's also a good way to continue to remind yourself what the students' names are. Since I have 400 students, this is a good way to recall the names. If you have students that do not work well together, you can make sure that they're always opposed to each other, so they're never on a team. And you can rate students. If their skill level is higher, you can mix and match. So anyways, I really like the TeamShake app, and I love sharing it with my colleagues.